is Snothile Mkhize, and I'll be singing Shayizandla by Naima, okay, with a mixture of Nomvula by Nathi. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll be singing it with no backtrack, obviously, so hopefully it's gonna sound smooth and clear and but yeah. Asugo Shayizandla, if you still believe in love, Asugo Shayizandla, if you still believe in love, Magukhona la otiena hagathandi muntu, Magukhona la otiena hagafuni muntu, Asugo Shayizandla, if you still believe in love, Asugo Shayizandla, if you still believe in love. Kepasiyathandan uyalubasithandane silale madonge, kibanjwa nguwe uyalubasithandane silale madonge, kuwelo uyalubasithandane silale madonge, kenziwa nguwe uyalubasithandane silale madonge, bazali bami ngibizelele uNomvula, thethani naye ithandi imfile dawena, sithandwa sami salayisha imoto emasimini salayisha, okondilindile salayisha imoto emasimini salayisha, sithandwa sami salayisha imoto emasimini salayisha, okondilindile salayisha imoto emasimini salayisha. And I'll be singing, well, Nomvula by Nathi with a mixture of Asugo Shayizandla by Shikana.
No! Shikana! XOXO Naima.